Juicy meat right there. Mmm.
Mmm. You give it this. Mmm.
Hey everyone, I'm Kevin and this is
Rachel.
And we have decided to take a day trip to Temecula in Southern California today, the wine country of Southern California, to get some wine. And we just wanted to take you guys along because it might be the most fun day of our lives.
We've never been out of the house ever.
No. Temecula in general, this is our first time in Temecula, by the way, and it's pretty beautiful out here. Lots of mountains. It's very different than where we are in Orange County. This is more like ranch, like cowboy kind of terrain. You see like people driving motor or dirt bikes and ATVs everywhere.
Horses.
Yeah, horses.
This might be like our first real winery that we've been to with like land and everything. And we're here in January, and the leaves and stuff are brown. So that's probably obvious. That's probably off-season, I'm guessing, but...
We don't know how grapes work.
Or plants, apparently.
But it's still pretty. It's still pretty out here.
Yeah. You're prettier, though.
Okay.
We're at a winery called Fazeli, and Kevin only just found out where we're going because I wanted to kind of surprise him for his birthday.
Yeah, it's not actually my birthday though. It's like a couple weeks after my birthday. But we've been arguing today and I'm very mad and I am determined not to have any fun at all.
Oh, well, that's why we're going to get him liquored up.
So we'll see if today might be a disaster. Come along and join us. We're gonna go into the restaurant real quick.
Just real quick, just grab and go.
Yeah, because I'm ready to get out of here. Today sucks. Follow along with us.
Like and subscribe. So far, it's really pretty. The building itself still has a Christmas wreath up, so hopefully when we go inside, there's lots of decorations and maybe Santa Claus.
No, but it's not Christmas anymore.
It's your birthday.
No, it's not.
Maybe they brought Santa Claus.
Let's take a ride. I've got the perfect place in mind. We've got an hour or so to hide.
What'd you get?
I got the mixed flight, which is Chardonnay, oaked ripe pear, buttery. The Fel, which is a Shiraz with cherry spice and white pepper. And then I got the Meritage, which is a cab, which is my favorite. Well, I mean, cab's usually my favorite. I haven't tried this yet. Let's see. Ooh, that's good. It's kind of tart and it's pretty dry, but yeah. Oh, it also says Malbec, cherry anise, and vanilla bean.
Does it taste like those things?
Yes. I don't have as refined of taste as most people. The Chardonnay was pretty good. I think this is my favorite so far. And then the Fel. That one's very dry. Spice and white pepper. I can kind of see that. I think my taste is getting more refined. The Meritage is I think it's like a Cabernet Merlot mix, and I think I prefer this one. It's really, really good. This is the winner for me. I'm a cab person.
Okay, so we got 2 wine flights. Mine is all dry reds. Turmoil is the one I'm trying first. The Cab Sauves with all these words in it. It's probably the smoothest cab I've ever had. It's tart, but not too tart, but it's also like very light for a cab, I think. Havoc. And this has candied pecan in it. We'll see about that. No candied pecans in that one. And then finally, the Uproar. This one smells like our cat's litter box.
Does it taste like the cat's litter box?
Yes.
Ew.
No, actually, it's really good. They all kind of taste the same to me, honestly. They're good. They're good. This place is really pretty. We're sitting on the balcony and we're like surrounded by mountains. Just enjoying this. And it's nice.
You're such a classy guy.
I know.
What are your thoughts?
Don't ask me questions like that.
We're wondering if this might be the Dolma. Sorry if we're wrong.
I was actually correct.
Just correct us down below.
No, don't, because I'm right.
What is the plate here? We got
We got the meze platter. M-E-Z-Z-E. Meze?
what does it mean?
What?
What does that mean?
It's like a Mediterranean platter. There's lamb, dolma, hummus, olives, tzatziki sauce, and carrots and celery. And it looks really, really good.
Hurry up and try the lamb. Hurry, I'm hungry. You're good at this. How does it taste with wine? Does it make it better?
Well, yeah. Wine makes everything better. But it's a good compliment. The lamb also makes the wine better.
So this is the prime rib sandwich. Look at that juicy meat right there. It's like a Philly cheesesteak sandwich. It's really good. It has mustard and red peppers and cheese and some kind of tzatziki sauce, I'm sure. I don't know what this is, but I'll taste this too. This is really good coleslaw. I don't know what's in it though. It says it pairs well with the Meritage or something.
Oh, of course you like Meritage.
This is the best one, the Meritage. So here's the secret. You take a big bite of meat.
You got a little.
Oh, I know. Yep, that's good. What else do you want from us?
Happy birthday.
Thank you. So that was fun.
I liked it.
Yeah, it was the first real winery we've been to. The wine was great. The food was solid. The food was solid. It wasn't amazing or anything, but it paired really nicely with the wine. So
What I like about this place is the atmosphere just seems really nice and really big. And the fact that the food was pretty reasonable, like price-wise.
yeah, it was like you got a ton of food with it too. Yeah,
And we like the
we
wine.
ended up buying a bottle of wine, the Meritage 2016. This was our favorite one. But yeah, overall great experience, great birthday. Thank you, sweetie.
You're welcome, babe.
Okay, now we're gonna find dessert somewhere in Old Town Temecula. I don't know. We didn't really plan this out very well, but
What?
we're just gonna do some exploring, be
I planned it
spontaneous.
perfect.
Sure. Okay, see you there. This area's like the Hollywood Hills, except for it's more like spread out.
Do you want to live here?
Yes. Okay, so we made it to Old Town Temecula, and it's a pretty cute town. It reminds me a lot of Palm Springs because you have a mountain like almost right next to it, except for it seems more like the Old West than Palm Springs does. We're just gonna try and find something to eat, something to do.
See where the wind takes us.
The public restroom. Let's go check it out. Okay, so after many hours of looking around, we finally decided on the perfect desserts, actually. I got a brown paper bag
With a Rocky Road dipped apple.
Rocky Road dipped apple at a sweet
Cover
shop.
your face.
There we go. Mm.
That does look good.
Here we go, moment of truth.
Eat it. Nice.
The outside is really good. I might just skip the apple part, but it's really good.
Snickers fudge. Moment of truth.
Tastes like a Snickers.
Yeah, but fudge. I'm a diehard Snickers fan. It's my favorite candy of all time. So it's a nice attempt, and I would probably order this again.
Good job, sweet shop. Hey, it's been a great day. We're just gonna finish these, go get some last wine, and then we're gonna have an hour drive back to Orange County. And it was a great day. Thank you for the birthday.
You're welcome. Happy birthday.
Okay, well, like and subscribe and all that crap, and then
Thanks for watching. We love you guys. If it wasn't for you guys, we couldn't do this. It's not true. This is our first video, so I hope you guys start liking and subscribing. And maybe we could do more.
see more of this eating action. Goodbye.